The brain is the central organ for interpreting pain signals throughout the body. However, the brain itself is incapable of feeling pain. This is because the brain lacks nociceptors, also known as pain receptors. Nociceptors are specialized sensory neurons that detect potentially harmful stimuli. Therefore, surgical procedures can be performed on the brain while the patient is awake. The eyes capture images in an inverted orientation. The brain processes and flips the image. This inversion corrects our perception. The brain presents the world in the correct orientation. Our perception is a brain construct, not direct reality. Humans blink rapidly and frequently throughout the day. Each blink causes a brief moment of complete darkness for the eyes. However, we are not consciously aware of these dark intervals. The brain actively filters out the darkness experienced during blinks. This filtering process ensures a continuous and stable visual perception. The heart reacts to stimuli faster than the conscious brain. Sensations are often felt in the chest before understanding the situation. This explains why we feel sensations before cognitive awareness. The heart's response precedes the brain's conscious processing. Infants are born with approximately 300 bones in their bodies. This number is significantly higher than the number of bones in adults. As infants grow, many of these bones begin to fuse together. This fusion process is a natural part of skeletal development. By adulthood, the number of bones is reduced to 206 due to fusion. Goosebumps are a vestigial reflex, a remnant from when humans had more body hair. This reflex is triggered by cold or fear, serving different purposes. In response to cold, goosebumps attempt to create insulation by trapping air. When triggered by fear, they make us appear larger to potential threats. Thus, goosebumps are a fascinating example of evolutionary biology. The olfactory system adapts to constant smells over time. This adaptation leads to a decreased sensitivity to persistent odors. The brain effectively filters out unchanging olfactory stimuli. This desensitization explains why we don't notice familiar scents. Examples include personal perfume or ambient home scents. The body's internal clock anticipates wake-up times. It learns sleep schedules over time through consistent patterns. The body begins preparing to wake up before the alarm. This anticipatory awakening is a learned response. It is a result of the body's circadian rhythm. The tongue is in constant motion, performing various functions. These functions include speech, taste, and swallowing. The tongue's movement is involuntary during sleep. This continuous motion persists even when the body is at rest. The tongue only stops moving entirely after death. This cessation of movement is a sign of the end of biological activity. Our brains filter constant sensations, like the feeling of our body weight. This filtering process means we primarily notice changes in weight, not constant pressure. This sensory adaptation prevents us from being constantly aware of our own mass. By ignoring constant stimuli, the brain prioritizes new or changing information. This allows us to function efficiently without sensory overload from our own bodies. Most cells in the human body undergo continuous replacement over a period of several years. This constant turnover means that our bodies are in a state of dynamic cellular change. At the cellular level, we are not the same person we were years ago. This regeneration is essential for maintaining tissue health and function. The rate of cell turnover varies depending on the type of cell and its function. The auditory system is always active, even during sleep. This constant activity allows sounds to quickly awaken us. The auditory system remains vigilant to potential threats. This vigilance is crucial for survival. It ensures we are aware of our surroundings at all times. Yawning is contagious. meaning seeing someone yawn can trigger you to yawn. This phenomenon is linked to brain areas associated with empathy and social behavior. Observing a yawn activates these empathetic brain regions. This activation increases the likelihood of mirroring the action, resulting in a yawn. Individuals with higher levels of empathy are more susceptible to contagious yawning. Therefore, empathy plays a crucial role in the transmission of yawns between individuals. Each time a memory is recalled, the brain actively reconstructs it. This reconstruction process involves slight alterations to the original memory. As a result, memories are not static but change and evolve over time. This dynamic nature means memories are not perfect, faithful recordings. The brain's reconstruction can introduce inaccuracies or modifications. The body's physical responses to fear and excitement share similarities. These overlapping reactions can cause the brain to misinterpret emotions. This misinterpretation stems from the body's similar physiological states. The brain struggles to differentiate between fear and excitement signals. This can lead to confusing one emotion for the other in certain situations. Many bodily functions occur without conscious control or awareness. These autonomic functions regulate essential processes like breathing and heart rate. The body often initiates actions before conscious realization occurs. We become aware of these actions only after they have already taken place. Cognitive biases cause the brain to fill in missing information automatically. This filling in process can lead to the creation of false certainties. These biases can make individuals believe they are correct, even when wrong. Heuristics are mental shortcuts that contribute to these biases. Both cognitive biases and heuristics affect decision-making processes. They can lead to systematic errors in thinking and judgment. The body can react to danger before conscious awareness. This is a survival mechanism for quick responses. The body prioritizes immediate action in threatening situations. This reaction occurs even before the rational mind processes the threat. It ensures a faster response to potential harm. Pain threshold is the point at which a stimulus is perceived as painful. Pain tolerance is the amount of pain a person can withstand. Pain tolerance varies greatly from person to person. Genetic factors play a significant role in pain sensitivity. Psychological state, such as stress, can affect pain perception. Prior experiences with pain can also influence pain tolerance levels. Muscle memory arises from repeated movements, leading to automatic task performance. This process allows skills to be executed without conscious thought. The brain adapts through repetition, creating efficient neural pathways. These pathways streamline motor commands, enhancing speed and precision. Riding a bike exemplifies how muscle memory turns complex actions into second nature. The digestive system has its own nervous system, often called the second brain. This independent nervous system is capable of controlling digestion. It can function autonomously without direct input from the brain. This allows for localized and efficient regulation of digestive processes. The second brain ensures digestive functions are maintained effectively. The immune system possesses immunological memory. It recognizes pathogens encountered previously. This recognition allows for quicker responses. This memory forms the basis for vaccination. The skin undergoes continuous shedding and regeneration. The outer layer of skin is replaced roughly every 27 days. This constant renewal helps maintain skin health. Regeneration also ensures ongoing protection from external factors. Hair growth occurs in cycles, not continuously. Each cycle includes growth, rest, and shedding phases. The cycle's duration influences hair length. Cycle characteristics also affect hair thickness. Fingernails consist primarily of keratin, a fibrous structural protein. Keratin is also the main component of hair and skin. Nails grow from the nail matrix, located at their base. The nail matrix is responsible for producing new nail cells. These cells are then pushed forward, forming the nail plate. Bone marrow is a vital component of the skeletal system. It is responsible for producing red and white blood cells. Red blood cells are essential for oxygen transport throughout the body. White blood cells play a crucial role in the body's immune function. Lung capacity is variable and influenced by several factors. These factors include an individual's age and sex. Physical fitness also plays a significant role in lung capacity. Regular exercise is known to improve overall lung capacity. The liver is a vital organ performing hundreds of essential functions. One key function is filtering blood to remove toxins and waste products. The liver also produces bile, which aids in digestion and absorption of fats. It plays a crucial role in energy storage, converting glucose into glycogen. The liver is essential for detoxification, neutralizing harmful substances. Overall, the liver's diverse functions are critical for maintaining health. Kidneys filter waste from the blood, a vital function for overall health. They also regulate fluid balance, maintaining proper hydration levels. This filtration process removes toxins and excess substances from the body. By filtering blood and regulating fluids, kidneys maintain homeostasis. Kidney function is essential for sustaining life and preventing disease. The bladder's primary function is to store urine produced by the kidneys. It also plays a crucial role in signaling when it needs to be emptied. Effective bladder control is essential for maintaining urinary continence. Various factors can influence bladder control, leading to potential issues. These factors include the natural aging process, which can weaken bladder muscles. Certain medications and underlying medical conditions can also affect bladder function. The spleen filters blood to remove impurities and pathogens. It stores white blood cells, crucial for immune response. The spleen aids in fighting infections by activating immune cells. It removes old or damaged blood cells, maintaining blood health. The pancreas produces enzymes essential for digestion. It also synthesizes hormones, including insulin. Insulin is critical for regulating blood sugar levels. The pancreas plays a key role in metabolic processes. The gallbladder's primary function is to store bile. Bile is produced by the liver and is essential for fat digestion. The gallbladder concentrates bile by removing water and electrolytes. When fats enter the small intestine, the gallbladder releases bile. Bile emulsifies fats, breaking them into smaller droplets for easier absorption. The thyroid gland produces hormones vital for regulating bodily functions. These hormones primarily control metabolism, influencing how the body uses energy. Thyroid hormones also play a crucial role in growth and overall development. Proper thyroid function is essential for maintaining stable energy levels. Dysfunction can lead to significant changes in energy and weight. Thyroid disorders require management to mitigate their impact on health. Adrenal glands produce hormones essential for various bodily functions. These hormones regulate the body's stress response. They also play a key role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Adrenal hormones are critical for electrolyte balance. The adrenal glands are vital organs for survival. The pituitary gland regulates other hormone-secreting glands. These glands produce hormones that influence bodily functions. The pituitary gland is often referred to as the master gland. This is due to its central role in hormonal regulation. It ensures hormonal balance and proper bodily function. The pineal gland is responsible for producing melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that primarily regulates sleep-wake cycles. The gland's activity is significantly influenced by light exposure. Light levels affect melatonin production, impacting sleep patterns. The reproductive system is essential for enabling sexual reproduction in organisms. It also plays a crucial role in producing hormones necessary for development. These hormones significantly influence various aspects of behavior. Therefore, the reproductive system impacts both biological and behavioral traits. The lymphatic system aids in waste and toxin removal from the body. It is a crucial component of the body's immune function. The system is comprised of lymph nodes and vessels. These components work together to maintain fluid balance and fight infection. The nervous system facilitates signal transmission between the brain and body. It plays a vital role in controlling movement. It enables the sensation of touch, temperature, and pain. The nervous system is also fundamental to cognitive processes and thought. The circulatory system is responsible for transporting essential substances throughout the body. It ensures the delivery of blood, oxygen, and vital nutrients to cells and tissues. The circulatory system is composed of three primary components: the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart functions as the central pump, propelling blood through the network of vessels. Blood vessels act as conduits, facilitating the circulation of blood to and from all parts of the body. The endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and secrete hormones. Hormones regulate various bodily functions, ensuring internal stability. Key glands include the thyroid, which regulates metabolism. The adrenal glands manage stress responses through hormone release. The pituitary gland controls other endocrine glands and growth. The skeletal system provides structural support for the body. It also protects vital internal organs from potential injury. The skeletal system facilitates movement through muscle attachment. Key components include bones, which provide a rigid framework, cartilage cushions joints and reduces friction during movement. Ligaments connect bones to each other, stabilizing the joints. The muscular system is responsible for enabling movement throughout the body. It also plays a key role in maintaining posture and overall body stability. A significant function of muscles is heat production, helping regulate body temperature. The muscular system comprises skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscle tissues. The integumentary system is the body's protective barrier against the external environment. It plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature to maintain homeostasis. The system is composed of several key structures, including the skin. Hair, distributed across the body, provides insulation and sensory input. Nails offer protection to the tips of fingers and toes, aiding in manipulation. The respiratory system's primary function is to facilitate gas exchange in the body. This system is responsible for taking in oxygen from the air we breathe. Simultaneously, it expels carbon dioxide, a waste product, from the body. The main components of the respiratory system are the lungs and airways. Airways include the nasal passages, trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles. The lungs are where oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is released. The urinary system filters waste products from the blood. It then eliminates these waste products from the body in the form of urine. Key components of the urinary system include the kidneys. The bladder is another essential part of the urinary system. Ureters also play a critical role in the urinary system's function. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food. It also facilitates the absorption of essential nutrients. The mouth initiates the digestive process. The esophagus transports food to the stomach. The stomach further breaks down food. The intestines absorb nutrients, and accessory organs aid digestion. The brain remains active even when not focused on external tasks. This intrinsic activity is largely attributed to the default mode network, DMN. The DMN is a network of interacting brain regions. It is most active during periods of rest and introspection. The DMN supports self-referential thought processes. It also facilitates mind wandering and internal reflection. The placebo effect highlights the mind's ability to impact physical well-being. Belief in a treatment can trigger genuine physiological changes. This effect demonstrates the powerful connection between mind and body. Psychological factors can significantly influence physical health outcomes.